Hi, Kuya Popoy. Happy 70th birthday, and hopefully you enjoy your day with your siblings. We have so much fun running around. I'm just so glad I've seen them. For your birthday, I will say Romans 15:13. May the God of hope fill you with all joy and peace as you trust in Him who is faithful, so that you may overflow with hope of the power of the Holy Spirit. Okay, enjoy your day. Happy birthday again. Happy 70th. God bless. Bye-bye.
Hi, paring Popoy. Happy birthday. Salamat. At nabigyan din ako ng chance this time na mag-lead kita after so many years gone through and despite sa mga pains and challenges, struggles in life, we are still here alive. We are both strong and a fighter in life na kay Lord lang isusurrender. Namimiss ko yung mga araw na magkasama tayo na mga bata pa masaya at kung saan ka pumunta, siniyaya mo ako. Isa kang tunay na kaibigan. You are a true person at tunay na kaibigan. Kaya naalala ko, lagi kita at hindi kita nakakalimutan. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at kalusugan at mga biyaya kasama ang iyong mga pamilya riyan. Regards sa kanila. Enjoy your day in the US kasama siyang mga loved ones mo. Happy birthday. Salamat. God bless.
Hello po, si B-Boy po ito. I just wanted to say happy birthday Tito Popoy. I wish you luck and happiness at wish you a great life. And yun lang po. Maraming salamat. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tito Popoy.
Happy birthday, Tito Papoy.
God bless and take care.
God bless, take care.
Hello! Kuya Popoy, birthday mo raw. Happy birthday! Ayun happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Kuya Popoy.
Happy birthday from the Philippines to you in California. Happy birthday! Hello, Ate Nieves.
Hello.
Hello, Jolly. Hello, mga Salvador brothers and family. Hello, Crystal. Sige, bye-bye. Hello. Kuya Popoy, enjoy your day. Bye.
Okay.
Hi, Kuya Popoy. Ate Nieves. Jolly. Crystal. How are you there? Balita namin, magbe-birthday si Kuya Popoy. Happy birthday. Mami, birthday ng Kuya Popoy. November 2 daw. Batiin niya. Sabi niya, happy birthday, Popoy. Happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Kaway-kaway na. Marunong ka pa bang kumayway? Ha? Oo. Kaway-kaway. Oo. Alright. Enjoy your day. Sabi pa kayo, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Popoy. Ayun. Happy birthday.
Hello, sa aking kamag-anak na si Popoy Alvaro Salvador. Ako at ang buong pamilya Alvaro ay bumabati sa iyo ng isang maligayang kaarawan. Naway sapitin mo pa ang maraming kaarawan at bigyan ka ng poong may kapal ng malusog na pangangatawan sampu ng mga mahal mo sa buhay. Muli, maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, Popoy Salvador.
Happy birthday, Poy!
Happy birthday po, Tito Popoy.
Pahabol pa. Sana pag uwi mo dito sa Pinas, magkaroon tayo ng reunion. Sama ng pamilya Salvador, pamilya Alvaro, at pamilya Inosanto. Sana lang.
Looking forward to that. Masaya yon. Happy
Happy
birthday!
birthday!
Happy birthday, Lolo Popoy. Sending lots of love from here. We wish you the best and we hope to see you soon.
Hello po. Hello Ate Inday, and also most especially to the celebrant, Tito Popoy. Happy birthday. When I reminiscing my childhood, naalala ko kung merong Santa sa North Pole, kayo po ang Santa dito sa family. You bring happiness to all of us. You sharing love and care. Thank you po sa lahat-lahat na even sa smaller things and gatherings ay nakapagbigay kayo ng saya sa bawat pamilya namin. Thank you po ulit and happy birthday. God bless. Bye.
Ay, Tito Popoy. Kumusta ka na pa? Sana po ay nasa mabuting kalagayan. Sa nga pala, happy birthday. Happy 70th happy birthday sa iyo. At sana po mapapambuhay nyo. At maging masigla at malakas kayo sa susunod pa rin mga taon. Inulit po. Happy birthday po. God bless.
Happiest birthday po, Tito Popoy. I wish for your good health and happiness. Ingat po kayo palagi. And God bless po. Love lots.
Go. Happy birthday, Tito Lolo Popoy, and happy anniversary. And take good care. Bye.
Happy birthday, Lolo Popoy, and congratulations on your wedding anniversary.
Hope you have a good rest of your life.
Bye.